Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have a special weekend edition of amazing tool deals to share with you. We're mostly going to stick with Amazon, but we'll also hit a few other stores along the way. I checked every one of the deals before recording the video. Everything is working and valid right now, and I will have it all linked down below. First, a little reminder. We have the Amazon promo code deal page on my website updated every single day. Now, usually on the weekends, it's a little slow, but this week, China's coming back from vacation and they hit us with about 200 new deals. Now, it always starts with women's clothing at the top, but as we scroll through, you can see there's a ton of stuff here, and we'll get to all sorts of different products. So again, that is updated every single day. We normally don't talk about it in the videos, but just wanted to remind you that will be linked down below as well. So the first one, again, normally this would go on the outdoors deals page. We have our category pages up at the top. We normally post it here, but I thought this was really good, so I thought it was worthy of its own post. We have these solar string lights outside, 27-foot solar-powered lights. This is by Jackie LED, and they are 42% off. Now, in addition to the 42% off, there's also a Prime member discount. So if you open the Amazon page and you're a Prime member, you're going to see about $28, and then you're going to take 42% off the $28. So you end up being about 15 or 16, which is really good for these solar lights. And I have something really similar to these that isn't solar, but those style of lights, but you have to plug it in. And I actually use it for the tent that the Mustang sits in and ran it right down the middle of the tent. And it's not the brightest thing in the world, but it's definitely bright enough that you can get some stuff done and you're not tripping over things in the dark. So I really kind of like these little lights. More like a little party accent light thing, but my purpose is working out for me as well. Next up, we have an LED work light, 3000 lumen, 5200 milliamp hour, rechargeable, magnetic, under hood, waterproof cordless work light. This is by Pilates, and it is 50% off. I thought this was really interesting. Kind of a different spin on the underhood lights that have been popular over the last couple of years. Starts out at $89.99, which is a little bit too expensive, but we have a 50% promo code. We have a 5% coupon on the page. So we're going to bring that down to about $40 after those discounts. Next up, we have 120-piece solder seal wire connectors by Hastronica, and it is 50% off, $9.99, 45% promo code, 5% coupon. Going to be all the way down to just $4.99 after the discounts. Handy dandy case. If you haven't tried the solder seal, definitely give it a shot. Just need a heat gun or maybe a lighter. I've heard people use a lighter. I've only used a heat gun. Now check this out over at Walmart. They have this hyper tough 12 volt max brushless impact wrench, 2 amp hour battery, and the charger. It's down, normally $70. Right now it's $59. You'll get free shipping on that. It kind of reminds me of the Milwaukee's. This is a 3/8 inch drive. But for $59 to get the whole kit, I thought it was pretty neat. And then I had this link right here that shows all the other hyper tough 12 volt tools, and they had like cordless ratchets and drill impact driver. I'm pretty sure it was either the drill or the impact driver was also on sale for like 30 something dollars. So that'd be another way to get you, and they were all kits, get you another battery and charger if you went with this. But just another player in the game to pay attention to. Here we have the Black & Decker 12 volt max drill driver. It's down to $27.95. Home Depot's $38, Walmart's $35, and Lowe's is $40. So if you're looking for a 12 volt drill, little homeowner tool, it's hard to beat getting a drill kit for $28. We got the Craftsman glass scraper, one blade, fixed folding. Figure that one out. $1.17 right now on Amazon. Of course, Prime members get the free shipping on that. Lowe's has it for $3.98, so about $4. Kind of a little bit of an impulse buy. It's like one of the things you would have at the checkout as you're waiting in line. And, hey, I'm buying something else on Amazon. Throw that in the cart as well. I got to go through the checkout anyways. Throw it in. It's only $1. You got the 2-pack rechargeable LED flashlights, high lumen, whatever that number is. I need a comma. Lumen super bright flashlight, powerful tactical handheld flashlights by Filetto. they are 50% off. Normally $56.99. Take off 50%, makes it about $28. Then you're getting two of them, so $14 a piece. Most likely, I don't see it right here in the description as I'm talking and glancing through it, but I'm guessing that's an 18650 battery in there in each of them. Of course, comes with a little charger, even has a little display telling you the battery charge status. Now, the Harbor Freight coupon page. I know we're a couple days into it. I did do the short on it, but so the shorts. Not a fan, but we did do it because it kind of fits because it was only a single coupon. But anyway, this weekend we can get the screwdriver, you can get the picks, you can get the scissors. I would go with the picks. No purchase required. You just walk in, grab your item, show them the coupon, walk back out. And I would actually suggest that. And you can do it every day. You may be able to do it multiple times a day, although I don't know if I want to make return trips for that. Also on the page, there's about 90 other Harbor Freight coupons that are all valid right now, so you may want to do a little perusing. Here we have an impact wrench, cordless impact wrench, half-inch, brushless. It's by Silvel, and it is 45% off. Comes with the big 4 amp hour battery. Really like that they paired it with a bigger battery. Not as big of a fan of the little 2 amp hour battery. You're just not going to get as much battery life out of it. $89.90, 45% off. Is going to cut it almost in half. You pay about $45 for the full kit. Same company, Silvel has their Buffer Polisher 7 6-inch polisher, car detailing wax machine, 7 variable speeds, foam pads, wool pads, everything you want. Started out at $79.90. Again, we're going to cut that in half, and you will be under $40 for that guy. One of my favorite items, the car battery jump starter. We're getting to that time of year. You're going to hear a slow crank. You're going to go, and then you're going to know, time for a new battery. But until then, jump start. Jump start. This is by Max Angel. You'll think it's an Angel when it saves your ass on the side of the road or in a parking lot. 50% off. Normally $130. What's that, about $65 or so? Actually, we got 50% promo code and a $15 coupon, so call me a liar. It's even cheaper than I thought. Crimping tool, heat shrink connectors, ratchet wire terminal crimper, ratcheting crimper tool by Haystronica. It's 50% off, normally $26.99. It's going to be $13.49 after the promo code goes through the 15th. Love this style of wire crimper. Gives you a nice good crimp. So if you're not using these, you thought you had a good crimp, then you give it the little test tug, and it pulls right off, and you're pissed, and you throw it, and you got to do it all over again. And then you're doing a stereo, and it's like 20 damn wires, and you're sitting there contemplating on each damn crimp. Like, you son of a bitch, don't you dare come loose. Nah, you get the ratcheting one, you don't got to worry about it. Wire stripper tool, wire stripper crimper by Haystronica. This is 50% off as well. Normally $9.99. After the promo code, it's only going to be $4.99. Got some nice comfort grip handles. Beats the hell out of the Harbor Freight ones that don't have that. Going over to eBay real quick. This is the VIP Outlet Store. They have the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 8-inch hedge trimmer kit. This is going to be a $139. I was going to say $1.39, but that'd be a good deal. $139, ships for free. You get the 4 amp hour battery. I believe that's 4 with it. And the charger. And we do have a link to all their other deals because that eBay store is actually pretty good. They have some decent deals on there. It's worth checking every once in a while. If we look at the comparables, Home Depot's $249, Acme Tools $249. You see the pattern, I see the pattern. Max Tool $249. So over $100 cheaper. And never poo-poo the hedge trimmer. The hedge trimmer mafia will come after you. So say nothing but good things about hedge trimmers. Everyone needs a hedge trimmer. Everyone loves a hedge trimmer. It's the most valuable tool in your arsenal. Please don't kill me. Walmart. Auto Joe, 12-volt portable car vacuum cleaner. Made the mistake one time saying a bad thing about a hedge trimmer. Got about 1 million comments about how I was wrong about hedge trimmers, so now I just don't do it. Auto detailing accessory kit. It is now $8.97. You're going to have to pay for shipping if you're not a Walmart Plus member. But if you are a Walmart Plus member, you get the free shipping. If you get over $35, you can also get free shipping. So maybe you just found a bunch of Christmas gifts. Walmart says this was normally $30. If we look at Home Depot, they have it for $24.30. And Snow Joe themselves have it for $30. So amazing little deal on the car vacuum. Here we have the 25-in-1 precision screwdriver set, small screwdriver, professional magnetic mini repair tool by AXTH, and it is 40% off. Normally $10, going to be $5.99. And we actually have 2 promo codes you can try here, so this is the first one. And if that doesn't work, give this guy a try. The discount should be the same either way, but we double our chances of success there. So there it is, guys. All the latest amazing deals. Everything will be linked down below. Make sure to subscribe for a nice subscriber. Give the video a like, and I'll see you guys next time.